Greetings, my friend. Larry Baronis here in Fort Worth, Texas. Welcome to my channel. And today is mail call day. So let's get right to it, okay? I'm kind of excited about this package. And a special thank you to Loretta for sending me this package. And this comes from Hong Kong. And would you like to pronounce the name of these fantastic pens?
These are Euchres.
Now, I will show you the pens and then later I will do a review. But these are some of the newest models of Euchres that have just come out, and I'm excited to share them with you. And they're in here. There's no other choice but to open it up. Here we go. I mean, they're packed. They are secure, packed. And so, Miss Loretta, I don't know how you got them in there, but congratulations. Great job. If you keep up with my channels, you know that I've reviewed this line of pens last year. And, I mean, they're really great pens. I was really impressed with them. And they're affordable. Good. All right. Like I said, I will do a few review on these pens. You have your basic white cardboard sleeve on the outside, and then let's take the pen case out. Comes right out, and it has the logo of Euchres right here, very nicely done. I really like that. Can you see that? Really nicely done. Cardboard box. Nice and sturdy. And let's see what's on the inside.
Ooh.
Whoa, mercy me. Talking about a pen. Look at this fountain pen. Beautiful. That is gorgeous. Let's take it out. It's nicely secured in this bed of foam. The way you see it here, just really done real nice. So, wow. Okay. Look at this pen for a minute. Wow. And it does have Euchres right here in the window. Beautiful done. I am totally impressed. The whole 9 yards. Let's unscrew it. And then here is your felt tip. This is a 1.0. Unscrew the barrel. And there's an ink cartridge right here. Or it does use a converter. And it looks like you can use this as an eyedropper.
And the unique thing about these is that, if I'm correct, you use fountain pen ink with a felt tip.
That's right. That's what makes this pen so unique. This pen is absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Wow. If you're interested, you can go to
Euchres-shop.com.
Or you may want to check out and see if maybe Federalist Pens may be carrying this new line, or what other pen dealer might be carrying this brand new line of Euchres fountain pen. Really cool. I'll just put that back in there. And then, like I said, later I will give a full review on this beautiful pen. So, I know the ones I have, I really enjoy them.
And is it difficult to clean out the felt tip?
No, it's really just like you're cleaning out your fountain pen. I've never had any problems with it. And how long does the tip last? Oh, a couple of years most likely, depending how much pressure you put on the pen, because these pens don't need a lot of pressure to write with. Now you ink them up and you're gone. And what's cool about these, you can use converter, cartridge, or looks like eyedropper. So that's going to be cool as well. So let's get the last one out here. And we'll take it out of the sleeve box and let's look inside this. Here we go. First look. Bam! This is the newest one. I will show you the difference between this one and the one I have. This is different. Totally different.
I like the texture
Yeah,
on that
I do
one.
like that texture. It really looks stunning. Yep. And it has the name of the brand here, Euchre's on here. It's really nice fountain pen. Unscrew. Post securely. And this one comes with a 1.4 tip on it. And let's go ahead and unscrew the barrel.
Do I remember correctly, you can change out the tips to different sizes?
Yeah. It comes with a cartridge. I have a converter, I believe. I should have asked Loretta to put me in a converter, but that's okay. And there it is. Stunning, beautiful fountain pen. Look at that. Really nice fountain pen. Now, either one of these pens would be a pen to be proud of, that wherever you may use them, at work, at school, they just pop. They just are very nicely made. And I'll give you the material, and I'll give you the whole 9 yards as soon as I get to the review on these beautiful newest pens from
Euchre's.
And again, Loretta, thank you so much. I appreciate you sending me these pens for review, and I will get back to you. And I look forward to seeing you as one of my guests on my Zoom Pen Hangout soon. Peace, love, God bless. Wash those hands. Wear the mask. Stay the distance. Stay healthy. Stay safe. And as always, please don't text and drive. Bye-bye.